In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Gemini chat. This is a quick way to let teammates, classmates, or friends see exactly what you discussed with Gemini without taking screenshots or copying and pasting chunks of text. We'll walk through the process from opening your conversation to sending the link, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening the specific Gemini chat you want to share in your browser. Make sure it's the conversation you intend to show, not a blank chat or an older thread. If you keep multiple tabs or windows open, double-check the title or the first few lines in the conversation so you're in the right place. This helps avoid sending the wrong link later. Next, look for the share icon in the chat interface. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find it next to the conversation title or in the chat toolbar. It often looks like an arrow or a link icon. On smaller screens, it might be tucked behind a menu, but it will still be labeled or clearly indicate sharing. Take a moment to scan the toolbar so you don't overlook it. Click Share, then choose Create Link. When you select Create Link, Gemini prepares a view-only link to the conversation. Before you confirm, quickly consider whether the thread includes anything you don't want others to see. This is a good time to tidy the chat if necessary, because the link will reflect the conversation as it stands when you create it. After you create the link, a shareable URL is generated and automatically copied to your clipboard. Your clipboard is the temporary place your device uses to store copied text. If you're not sure it copied, try pasting into a Notes app or a message to confirm. Some interfaces also show a small toast notification that says the link was copied, which is a helpful reassurance. Now you can send the link to anyone you want. Paste it into an email, a chat message, a document, or anywhere you collaborate. Recipients can open the URL and view that conversation as a read-only page. They'll see the prompts and responses that were in the chat at the time you created the link, which makes it easy to provide context or share research without re-explaining everything. That's all there is to it. Open the chat, find the share icon, click Share, and then create link and send the URL to your audience. With this simple flow, you can share your Gemini conversations clearly and securely whenever you need.